Hi friends. Alright, so first let's make sure we have everything we need. We need our blue piece of paper. We need our two templates, one square and one circle. We need some markers. We need some scissors. And we're going to need some glue. You also have two googly eyes and 5 little colorful palms that you can use for your snowman. So the first step is to decide what shapes we want to use for our snowmen. You could use just the circles, you could use just the squares, or you can use both. I'm going to choose to use both for this one. And as you see, I'm deciding to cut out each square that I plan to use. So for this one, I decided on 2 squares, and now I'm going to go ahead and choose some circles that I would like to use also. So I cut out each of my squares and circles that I plan to use off of my templates, and now I'm going to finish cutting them out. So go ahead and finish cutting out the shapes that you chose. So now that all of our shapes are cut out, we are going to make our snowman body on our paper. But before we glue them down, we're going to try using our shapes in a couple different ways and see which way that we like best. So once you've decided how you would like your snowman body to look, we are going to glue each piece down. I'm starting with my bottom piece because we're going to make them look like they're stacked on top of one another. So don't forget that just a couple of dots of glue goes a long way, and glue down all of your shapes. Our next step is to glue our googly eyes or eye wherever we want it. You could use both eyes or you can choose just one. And you're going to make a small dot of glue in the center of the eyes and glue them on. So once you've got your googly eyes or eye down, we're going to draw a nose and a mouth. I decided to do a little clown nose on mine. You can choose any type of nose that you would like, and a little smile using my gray marker. So next we're going to draw some arms onto our snowman. I'm using a dark colored marker because I'm using the dark blue paper, so try to choose the darkest marker that you have. And I made my snowman arms look like he's dancing. You can make your arms however you would like. So now we're going to add some hair or a hat onto our snowman. I'm going to show you quickly how to draw a couple of hats. This is a party hat. Start with a triangle, add a little circle on the top, and then color in those stripes that you made. Next is a top hat, drawing a rectangle without a bottom, and then another rectangle underneath it, and you can color your top hat in any color that you would like. And then next is a small winter hat. Do a half circle with a little oval shape on the bottom, and you could add some polka dots. So you can make any hat that you would like. Those were just a couple examples. And I'm using a piece of my scraps that's left over from cutting out my squares and circles to make my hat. So first I started with pencil, and then I went over it with a dark colored marker, and then I'm going to color it in. As you just saw, I cut out my hat and I'm going to put 2 little dots of glue on it so that I can put it onto my snowman's head. Next comes a super fun part of decorating our snowmen. I'm using one of my little red palms and trying to make a little clown nose on my snowman. And then you can put your little palms wherever you would like and decorate your snowman with any designs that you wish. So I decided to put some of my palms onto my background. I also decided that I was going to put some flowers onto my snowman of all different colors. And then lastly, I decided to make a few snowflakes.